walking around this place, and I'm from Birmingham, being here and being in this atmosphere. There's a lot of history in this room, and this isn't on the set list, but I got a friend that I want to sing this one for tonight. There's a guy named James Bird that was tragically murdered in Texas about 12 years ago, and this song is something I wrote for him. It's called Still Alive. Truck 40 miles an hour, running red so the nigger can feel your white power. Cherry, recall, heart snap, change it all. Hate rains and rings of fire, genocide is still alive. Fire burning, the child's eyes are wide, watching the barrels turning. Stay claim inside of your white